I got a lot of people looking at me every day. The reason they're looking at me is because I have a fucking jet ski in the back of my truck. And here's what it looks like. So today I'm going to show you how I load it. First thing first, this is a pretty steep incline. Really steep. You have to put something in front of the tire. Just in case. Nothing bad happened, but just in case you want to do it. Alright, let me show you how it's done.